Students, this video is part 2 of math module. In part 1 of the video, you have already studied the functions ceil, floor, exp, fabs, sqrt, log and log10. In this video, we are going to study some more functions of math module, and they are pow, sine, cos, tan, degrees and radians. Power function. The power function returns base raised to the power. A domain error occurs if base is equal to 0 and exponent or power is less than equal to 0. The second condition is base is less than 0 and exponent is not an integer. The syntax of power function is math.pow. Within parentheses, you will give base as first argument, comma, exp or power as the second argument. Let's see one example. Math.pow 3.0, comma 0 means 3.0 to the power 0. So when the power is 0, the result is 1. So the output displayed will be 1.0. Let's see one more example. Math.pow 4, comma 2. Here 4 is the base and 2 is the power. So it means 4 to the power 2, that is 4 into 4 will display 16.0. The result or the output displayed by pow function is in float. Here are some more examples. Math.pow 4, comma 2, that is 4 into 4 will give 16.0. 5 to the power 3 will give 125.0. 7.0, comma 2, that is 7 into 7 will give 49.0. 9, comma 0 means 9 to the power 0 will display 1.0. 6.0 to the power 2.0 will display 36.0. 9.3 to the power 0 will display 1.0. In this slide, I have discussed the two conditions in which the domain error will occur. You can see if the base is 0 and the exponent or power is less than 0, then the domain error will occur. The second condition is if the base is less than 0 and your power or exponent is not an integer, then in that case also the domain error will occur in case of power function. Next function is sine. The sine function returns the sign of argument. The value of argument must be in radians. The syntax is math.sine and within parentheses you will give an argument in terms of radians. Here is an example. Math.sine 30 will display minus 0.98031624092861. Then sine 45 will display 0.85090 352453411184. Here are some more examples. Sine 0 will display 0.0, sine 1 will display 0.841470 9848078 Then sine 90 will display this value, sine 60 will display this value and sine 65 will display this value. Okay. Cos. The cos function returns the cosine of argument. The value of argument must be in radians. Its syntax is math.cos and within parentheses you will give an argument in terms of radians. Here is an example. Math.cos 0 will display 1.0. Math.cos 45 will display 0.5253219 888177297. Here are some more examples of cos function. You will just write math.cos 45. 45 is the angle and the value of cos will be displayed in this way. Math.cos 0 will display 1.0. Cos 90 will display this value. Cos 65 will display this value. Cos 1 will display the value given below. Tan. The tan function returns the tangent of argument. The value of argument must be in radians. The syntax is math.tan and the argument will be given in radians. Here is an example. Math.tan1 will display this value and math.tan45 will give you 1.6197751905438 Here are some more examples of tan function. Tan0 will display 0.0. Math.tan1 will display this value. Tan45 will give you this value. And tan60 will display this value. In the same way, whatever value is given as an argument, the output will be displayed thereafter. Degrees. This function converts the angle from radians to degrees. It means the arguments to be given in this function will be in terms of radians. So the syntax is math.degrees. Within parentheses, you will give radians. Here is an example. Math.degrees 3.14 will display the output 179.91. Math.degrees within parentheses 1 is given as an argument. It will display the output 57.29, 577, 951, 308232. Here are some examples of degrees function. So you will type math.degrees and within parentheses you will give the argument, like I have given 30. So this value has been displayed. Then in case of argument as 1, this value will be displayed. In case the argument is 0, then 0.0 will be displayed and so on. Radians. This function converts the angle from degrees to radians. The syntax is math.radians. Within parentheses, you will give the argument in terms of degrees. The example is math.radians 179.91 will display 3.1400218 5726299883. Here are some more examples of radians function. Radians math.radians 1 will display this value. Math.radians 3.14 will display this value. So here the values are displayed for the argument 30, 45 and minus 60. Constants in math module. A few constants which are available in math module are, first one is math.pi. It gives the mathematical constant pi is equal to 3.141592 to the available precision. Here is an example. If you want to use the constant math.pi while writing the program, here I have written one program to find the area of circle and I have used math.pi constant in my program. As you all know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. So r is a variable that represents the radius and 2 has been assigned the value to r. A represents the area where I have used the constant math.pi and this constant will be replaced with the value 3.141592 to the available precision multiplied by r into r. So it means pi r square. Then the area will be printed using the print statement. So here is the output. The another constant that I am going to discuss is math.e. It gives the mathematical constant E is equal to 2.718281 to the available precision. Here is an example. You will import the math module and will print math dot e to the power 2. So it means e to the power 2, that is 2.718281 to the available precision to the power 2 will return this value. Here it finishes the constants in math module. Thank you.